My name is YARA, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on the beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whichever one works for me. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all this wig. Yes, it's really a freaking wig, y'all. It's a wig. I'm actually pretty impressed myself. So it's just gonna be an install video, by the way. I'm not actually showing you guys how I made this wig, but I will put in the description box all of the products that I used to make this wig. I used 3 packs of the Bobbi Boss New Locks, 36 inches, and then I grabbed 2 packs of their 18-inch in the same style, and then I have 2 packs of the Passion Twist. I think it's Free Twist Passion Twist, or like Cuban Twist, one of those. The total time it took me to make this wig was about 5-6 hours, but it turned out really cute. It turned out really nice. We just go get into the install, and then I am going to style it a little bit for you guys at the end of the video, and then we're going to come back with my final remarks. So let's just get into it. Yeah, so reach the end. It's so cute. I do recommend when you are wrapping at the top, make sure that your foundation, like the braids, are super small, because as you guys see, these are pretty thick at the top and it's making my locks really stiff. So make sure when you're braiding it down to get it wrapped, make sure your braids are small. I forgot to show y'all the back. I don't even think I showed y'all the back, but make sure when you guys are, if you do plan to do this style, make sure you put foundation all over the lace, especially like this little area right here, because this is not regular lace. Like, it's an extra layer of added lace and it doesn't match the skin tone, so you're definitely gonna have to put foundation through there. The hair is not heavy at all. Only when you put it up, then it's heavy. But overall, I really love this look, and I love the fact that I can take it off and put it back on whenever I please. She's a bad bitch wig for sure. This is not for the weak. This is not for the basic. If you're gonna rock this 52 inches, you need to own it. Don't let the hair take over you. You better own it, boo. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below what you think. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications. I will be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you need a wig made, email me. My email is going to be in the description box. I'm going to be taking some orders for these. My DMs are open, and then I also have my email in the description box. Serious inquiries only. Don't be wasting my time. I'm not here to waste your time, so don't be wasting my time. But yeah, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, make someone's day, be the light in this world, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I got this new drip they been waiting for. Shit wanna fuck, taking pennies off. Just bought a new whip and it's paid for. I just been working out, taking the days off. I got this new drip, my diamonds be too lit. Just hopping this 2-6, my life is a movie.